What's up guys, it's Steve from Digital Unraveled here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get the buffering filter on TikTok. This is a cool little effect. So when you're on the TikTok camera and you go ahead and tap on effects at the bottom left hand corner, you can see in the top row here the fourth option there with that buffering logo. That is the buffering filter. So if I go ahead and tap on that, what it says is tap the screen to unfreeze. So if you go ahead and record something and then tap the screen, it should have that buffering logo. So let me try that. So as you can see, you record yourself talking or something like that, and then when you get to the most important part of what you're saying, you can go ahead and tap the screen and then you'll have that buffering logo, which is pretty cool. So if you're not finding the effect from within this effects tab over here, what you can do is you can go out of the TikTok camera and then you can tap on the discover option there with the little magnifying glass at the bottom, and then in the search bar you can just type buffering. Pretty simple. And then it should pop up there with the effects, and you can see other videos using the filter. So if it doesn't say effects there for you, you can go ahead and tap on one of these videos, and then you can see above the person's username it says buffering. You can go ahead and tap on that effect icon. That'll take you to the effects page where you could go ahead and add it to your favorites, and then when you want to go ahead and record your video, tap on the record button at the bottom, and then you can go ahead and record. So you can just come up with any video that you would like, and then you tap on the tick mark when you're done recording. Then go ahead and add your favorite sound, and you can add text on the screen, anything like that. Tap on next when you're done, and then just go through the posting process, and then you can go ahead and post that. So that is how you get the buffering filter on TikTok. Have fun with this one, and if this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more TikTok filters. Take care.